I will just give you a brief introduction about the how to read paper, and I will again cover it in the next lecture, inshallah. So I am providing a few resources. Okay. The thing is that we spend a lot of time in reading paper, and it is not easy to read a paper. Am I right? Sometimes the new researchers, okay, was time in reading paper. So if you follow some strategy, okay, the resources I provided you here, you can go through it and you will learn techniques. And the most important techniques I learned from this paper, this is called How to Read a Paper by S.K. Saab. And he proposes a very popular 3-pass method. The 3-pass method, we can summarize like this. The first pass gives you a general idea about the paper, and the second pass lets you grasp the paper's content, but not in details. And the third pass helps you understand the papers in depth. And you are recommended to see this lecture, as most of the audiences right now is Bengali. You can also see the Bengali lecture, and I will again cover in this series, because this series is for international audiences. So we'll cover this topic again in the upcoming lecture. And let's show you the paper, and I will assign you to read it, because if you don't read it, then you would not understand. Okay, so let me show you the paper. Okay, so this is the paper. So how to read? I am reading. Okay, using the 3-pass method. What I have to read? First, I have to read the title. How to read the paper? Okay, who is who is the author? S.K. Saab. Okay, fine. Then I will read the abstract, at least the abstract. Researchers spend a great deal of time reading research papers. However, this skill is very rarely taught, leading to too much vast effort. This article outlines a practical and efficient 3-pass methods for reading research papers. I also describe how to use this method to do a literature survey. Then what I will say in the first pass, I will see the keywords. Okay, introduct the keywords like paper reading. Okay. Then I will see the headline of the is section, introduction. Okay, 3-pass methods. Okay, the first pass, and then I will again go to the second pass. Then I will go to the third pass. Okay, doing a literature survey, experience, related work, request. Good. Then in the second pass, what I will do, I will read the introduction, this one. Then again I will go to the just methodology, skipping the literature review. Then it is interested to me, or it is totally matched with my field. Then again I will read the other sections. This is called 3-pass method. Am I right? Understand? And it is clearly mentioned what you have to do in the first pass, what you have to do in the second pass. Please read this paper. Okay. In the next day, I will ask you, okay, how to read a paper, and I will assign you a paper, and I will tell you to read by following the technique, shown by S.K. Saab. Am I right? Are you ready? In the next?
Yes, sir, we are ready.
I will.
Will you please share this article in our group?
Yes, I will upload. And if I don't share, downloading from internet. If you cannot download it, so you did not learn how to download the papers. I already showed you many ways. Okay, you can download from the website if you have subscription, or you can search on ResearchGate. If it is not public, then request him. Or you can also use some controversial website. Am I right? Sci-Hub or Library Genesis, and you can have it. Okay. So in the next class, I will assign you to read papers using this technique. It will be more fruitful. Okay. So I hope you will learn it, inshallah. And we already covered today is the number 3 lectures, and we are supposed to form a team and submit an idea, but I still did not receive it, so it is very bad. Okay, please do it by today or tomorrow. It's very important. And we also covered the lecture 3 today, and in the next lecture we will obviously learn how to conduct a literature review, good quality literature review. It's very important. So next class, don't miss it. And before it, at least select your topic, form your team. Otherwise, continuing this course will be hard for you. Okay. So best of luck. Who are following this course online, please, you also select a topic by yourself. You can work with other classmates, teammates, and also you can work under a supervision of a good researcher, your teacher or your seniors. It will be good for you, inshallah. And you who are following us on online, you should also do this work practically. Okay, then you will learn a lot. Otherwise, seeing the lectures and go to the next one, it will not help you to become a researcher. Best of luck for you. Inshallah, here I added the references I showed you in this lecture. Okay, best of luck. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, thank you for joining the class.